Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I'd love you to hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started. So today's video is all about my March loves. These are different products that I have been using in the month of March and really enjoy and think that you would enjoy. I can't believe it's already April, but I'm excited because that means summer break is almost here. So let's first start with my hair. I love an easy way to do my hair in the morning. Usually I was just pulling it back into a ponytail or a bun so I didn't have to fuss with it. And I came up with like this new thing, which probably isn't very new, but I had the problem where I'd wake up and my hair had like that natural curl and it'd be kind of puffy. So instead, what I've been doing is at nighttime, after I get out of the shower, I have been braiding my hair and then either putting my Invisibobble at the end of it or my Slip Silk scrunchie and then sleeping with it that way overnight. And when I wake up, it still has a natural curl, but it's not as frizzy. And then I go in with two of my favorite drugstore products. The Pantene Pro V, this is just the mousse. It curls, it tames your frizz, it does all that. It smells really good. And I feel like I have to use less of it if I braid my hair and use this to hold it in place overnight. And I love these because they don't rip out your hair or leave like marks in your hair. So both of these products, and the Visibobble comes in like a pack of 3, and then the Slip Silk also comes in a pack of 3. And I tried other ones too, like dupes, and to be honest with you, they were not as good as the Slip Silk. So if you like putting your hair up in a pineapple, these are definitely a splurge, but well worth it. So I feel like I have to use less of this if I go ahead and do that. And then my favorite hairspray is the alcohol-free Pantene hairspray. It holds really well. It's like a sticky hold, but it doesn't stay that way. So when you spray your hair, like it'll actually stick to your clothes, and then I just kind of lift it off and it's not sticky anymore. It of course dries down, but it has a really pretty smell for a hairspray. Most hairsprays don't smell good. And it also lasts all day long and it keeps my curl. I just love it. So these two products together, I'm really loving. Okay, I know I've probably talked about these before, but I love the Cetaphil wipes. I use this as my first step of taking off my makeup, and then I go in the shower and I use my face wash afterwards, but this gets off any of the makeup first before cleaning my face, and it doesn't have any scent to it. So I really like these because I tried the Neutrogena ones that a lot of people like, but those do have a scent to them that kind of bothered my allergies, whereas this one does not. Okay, my nails. I was on the fence about trying Essie Gel Culture for the longest time because I thought I'd have to like wrap my nails and it'd be a big process like going to a salon, and it's not. So I have two colors here. This is the one, nope, this is not the one I'm wearing. Oh, I didn't even bring it here. But I will link it down below for you, the one that I'm wearing. But as you can tell, I like shades of pink. This one has like a pinkish cool undertone. It's so pretty. And then this is the top coat. So I have 3 that I've tried, the one that's on my nails, and then these 2. This one is Stitch by Stitch, and this one is Matter of Fiction. I will link all of them down below, but they definitely last through doing dishes, giving the kids baths, for like a full week. I really like them. They dry super quick. This top coat helps to do that, and I'm just really pleasantly surprised. I did a whole blog post on it that I can link that blog post down below if you have not read it on Essie, and especially the Gel Culture. Okay, something else that I've been loving is I switched over from my Real Technique sponge, and I've been using this L'Oreal one for about a couple of months. And I really like, actually it was back at my husband's conference in the Don Cesaro's when I started using this. But I really like the way that you can hold it. It goes on just like the Real Technique sponge, but I just find it easier to hold to apply because of its shape. Something else that I have been loving that was at the back of my drawer is I pulled this out to do a video on drugstore products, and I can link that down below if you have not seen it. But this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist, and I have it on. I did it in my last video. It's so quick and easy, so if you're looking for something that is not a brow pencil, you want something that will set your eyebrows down, you don't want that multi-step, but it still adds color, this is it. It's really easy to use. The applicator on it is super tiny. You just brush it right through, and then it sets down. So it's a really great product. Okay, I know I put this in another video for Loves. I have to add it again, especially with summer coming up and it being spring already. This sunscreen, I mentioned it being mineral, and I'm sorry it's not mineral, but this company does make 2 mineral sunscreens that I will link down below. One is a tinted one, and what was the other one? A gel one. This one, however, the cooling water one is not. This is a chemical sunscreen, but I love it. It's an SPF of 60. It has no sunscreen scent, and it just kind of absorbs into your skin like a lightweight moisturizer. I can't speak highly enough of this. For my son's soccer game, I burn so easy. I did maybe a dime size, and I put it on my shoulders, and I put it on my chest and my face, and I did not get a single hint of red today. So I was pleasantly surprised, and I really, really like this sunscreen. Going with creams, this was something I wanted to try. I saw it in the store and I put it on my hand, and it's so silky smooth by It Cosmetics. It's their gel lotion. This is amazing. If you've ever tried the Origins, I think it's Peace of Mind or something along that line, that really, really silky smooth, just it feels so luxurious when you put it on your face. This feels exactly like that. And it's hydrating as well, so I really, really like this cream. I really suggest that you try this if you like that silky smooth feeling. It just kind of feels like your face feels like silk, when you put it on. Another product I've been loving, and I've talked about in my videos, is this vitamin C. I love it because it's made with glacier water. It doesn't turn colors. The price point, you can't beat it, and it does not break out my skin like some of the well-known ones that a lot of people talk about. And then I just did a video that I can link down below on the Neutrogena Healthy Skin makeup. I really am enjoying this foundation. It gives this beautiful, natural, glowy finish that I set down with powder. And what I'm wearing on my face right now is this foundation, and I can link everything else down below for you. But this foundation just wears beautifully throughout the day, and so it really does make your skin look very healthy and natural and glowy, and it's drugstore. So this is a good one. And then I recently switched over to trying this, the Dove O, or 0% aluminum. This one is the coconut and pink jasmine, but there's other scents as well. I really, really like this because I know that I've always been cautious of the different things you hear about deodorant and what they can do, and I've tried natural deodorants like Native, and they broke me out. So I tried this, and I have not broken out from this, and I've really been liking that it does not have aluminum in it. So this is another option for those of you who had problems with the natural deodorants breaking you out. Try this. And the last thing is my daughter's favorite. She likes to have her nails painted like me, and this piggy paint, this particular one, they have all different ones, comes with a nail polish remover that's not acetone, it's a water-based. And then this purple nail polish it comes with, and it also comes with a pink nail polish, and she loves it because I didn't realize it, but they have like this kind of like glittery look to it, and they have all different kits and all different types. Of course, it does not last as long as like nail polish that we wear, but it's healthy for the kids, so if they're putting their fingers in their mouth and things like that, you don't have to worry about it being toxic or anything. So this is a huge win for us, so my little girl can have cute little nails like mommy, but it's not something that's toxic. And this is just one of the kits. So I think that is everything I have to share with you that I've been loving for March. And if there's things that you have been loving that you'd love to share below, we'd love to hear what they are. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.